everyone. In this video we are going to have a look at a very interesting program, which is Unisim. It is very useful in chemical engineering, and to do that we will solve this very simple problem using that program. The problem states that a feed contains 60% methane and 40% ethane in weight, which means that those two can be used as mass fractions. It gave us the pressure of the feed stream, which is 20 bar, and its temperature, which is 35 degrees Celsius. It is being compressed to 50 bar. Find the work input to the compressor and the conditions of the exit stream. So it's very obvious that we are going to use a compressor. Of course, you need one more information in order for the feed stream to be fully specified, which is the flow rate. And in this case, it gave us a basis of 100 kg per hour. This is how the program looks like. The very first thing that you need to do is to create a new case from the file menu right here. Then you're going to add your components. So you click add and then you pick your components. In our question there were methane and ethane. You can either type the name right there or you can choose them because they're right there in front of you, methane and ethane. Okay, now we're done here. Another thing you need to specify is the fluid package. So you come right there and you add a fluid package that is appropriate for your components. In our case, Penguin is a very good fluid package. So now that you have that, you can start your work by entering the simulation environment. One of the first things that you can do is specify your feed stream. As you can see here, in this case, you have all the different process units that are commonly used in chemical engineering, and those two streams that you can use as energy stream or material stream. We are going to add our feed stream and specify all the information that we have about it. So this is our feed stream. Let me just enlarge it a little bit. So you double click on it and then you fill the main 4 information that you need to know. The first one is the temperature, which is 35 degrees Celsius according to our question. For the pressure, it was 20 bars. So of course you're gonna need to change the unit right from here. Instead of kilopascal, you can write or choose a bar. Now for the flow rate, as we said, is very important. It gave us the basis to be 100 kg per hour. You can come right there. It's a mass flow, so it's 100 kg per hour, and the units are correct. You are done here. The last thing you need to do is to pick to type in the compositions of your components. So for methane, as you can see, before you type them in, it says right there that these are mole fractions. Well, you're gonna need to change those to mass fractions according to our question. So you come right there and click basis and choose mass fractions, and you can see the title changes right there. Now you fill your values in. The first one is that the methane was 0.6, and of course ethane will be 0.4. Press OK. As long as you have the green color right there and it says OK, then you're done. You can see that your arrow has turned from light blue to dark blue. The second thing I'm gonna do is choose my process unit, which is in this case a very simple compressor. Okay, so here's our compressor. What you need to do is to connect the feed stream. You can press Control and then drag it right there. And you wanna have a product stream. Just gonna call it 2. And from right here, you can drag an energy stream. Of course, the colors are light because they're not specified yet. Another information or another piece of information that was given to us was that the product stream was at 50 bars. So you double click the product stream and you specify the pressure to be 50 bars. You change the units as we said, and this will be enough for the program to specify everything else. As you can see, it says OK. If you close that, you will see everything turned to dark blue. If we return to our question, the question asks for the work input to the compressor and the conditions of the exit stream. So you can come right here, just point at your energy stream, and it gives you the energy input in kilojoule per hour and in kilowatts. The same thing you can do for the product stream to know its temperature, its pressure, and the molar flow. If you need more details, you can just double click on it and learn about the other properties of that stream. So there you go. This was a very simple tutorial on how to use Unisim, and of course there are millions of other things that you can do with this program. So good luck!